Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to become Ghost Rider using an easy method. First, gather your basic supplies: a plain black motorcycle helmet, some red and orange fabric paint, and a few sheets of black mesh material. You will also need a sturdy pair of scissors and a strong adhesive spray. This simple approach ensures a quick and impressive result for your costume. To begin your transformation, you'll need just a few key items. Start with a standard black motorcycle helmet. This will be your skull's foundation. Next, grab some vibrant red and orange fabric paints to create those iconic flames. Don't forget a few sheets of black mesh, about 1 square foot, for the eye and mouth areas. Finally, ensure you have a reliable adhesive spray and a pair of sharp scissors ready. Now for the fun part, crafting your fiery skull. Using your red and orange fabric paints, carefully apply flame patterns across the helmet's surface, focusing on the top and sides. Next, cut 2 small eye shapes and 1 larger mouth shape from your black mesh. Position these over the helmet's visor area and mouth guard, then firmly attach them using your adhesive spray. Let everything dry for at least 2 hours. With your helmet complete, it's time to embody the full Ghost Rider spirit. Pair your new flaming skull with a black leather jacket and matching gloves for an authentic look. For an extra touch, consider carrying a prop chain, perhaps one made of lightweight plastic. Remember to practice a confident and intense persona. You've successfully created an impressive Ghost Rider costume in just a few easy steps, ready for any event.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.